Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're here to assist you in converting 10 pounds to kilograms. Are you ready to convert 10 pounds to kilograms? Let's dive right in. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 pound is approximately equal to 0.453592 kilograms. To convert pounds to kilograms, simply multiply the number of pounds by this conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you have 10 pounds of flour that you need to convert to kilograms. We start by multiplying 10 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 4.53592 kilograms. But what if you want to convert 10 kilograms of sugar into pounds? No worries. To convert kilograms to pounds, divide the number of kilograms by the conversion factor of 0.453592. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 10 kilograms of sugar to pounds. We start by dividing 10 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 22.0462 pounds. Remember to round this number to the nearest hundredth, so our final answer is approximately 22.05 pounds. And there you have it. Converting 10 pounds to kilograms and 10 kilograms to pounds is straightforward once you know the conversion factor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more useful content. Thanks for watching.